This is the Anycubic Cobra X, and this printer could change multicolor 3D printing forever. And no, that's not an exaggeration. So everybody, welcome to the lab. It's the No Idea Engineer here, and this will be a complete honest review of my own opinion. Anycubic have no say of what goes on in this video because the printer wasn't sent by them. They don't even know this video is coming out. So with that, let's unbox it. So opening up the box, the printer is nicely packaged in some of this really sturdy shipping foam, which keeps the printer safe in shipping. That's a nice PEI sheet, that. Little bag of accessories. Service card. They look like some brackets. We'll put them there. Under the foam. Power cable. I think I might have to drop this onto the floor. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Right. Lay this down. Oh, surprises. Looks like the surge wiper there. From the same plates I showed you before. PTFE tubing. User manual. I'll need this. Just make sure you check all your foam. Make sure nothing gets left behind. Finally, the base. Place it on here. Remember where you put your tools, guys, it helps. Okay? So be careful when removing packaging that you don't cut any wires or anything like that, because that would be bad. Okay, so I'm going to get on with this and see what happens. Instruction booklet. Install the printing plate, step number 1. Okay, we need to get the Z-axis frame now. So we'll move this out of the way. And we need to remove the packing hinges. So we'll go into our toolkit here. We will undo bolts. So now we just carefully unpack the print head. Carefully move the print head across, and we'll just repeat the same what we did on that side again. So I'll be back with you once that's done. Okay, on to the next step. Okay, so here we go. Just going to tighten these 4 bolts up. Okay then, it's time for a voiceover. I'm going to tighten up these 4 bolts here and then move and do the same on the other side, and then that'll be the frame attached. And now we have all the bolts tightened down most of the way. We come back and make sure they're all nice and tight. Now this is where I live up to my name of either I don't know what I'm doing, or the instruction booklet wasn't very clear, but you have to slide these in and then push down, not straight push down. So let's pick this thing up and put it on its back and plug in the motor wires. So let's plug these wires in, and just be careful to make sure they're plugged in all the way. I didn't, so when I first fired the printer up, before I moved it into position, the motors didn't quite work properly, so just be careful. So let's pop the cover on and put it back upright. And now we'll slide on and bolt in the purge wiper. This goes in with 1 bolt at the rear. Although just be careful and don't miss track of any of your bolts. I picked up the wrong one originally that was too long, and then had to go and take it out and put in the proper one, so just keep track of them. And now let's attach our spool holders. These are quite tight to put on as they need to clip over and latch on at the back, but once you get the hang of the first one, the rest of them are easy. I say the rest of them, there's only 2. I will be honest, it took me about 5 minutes just to get this first one. But this second one was a whole lot easier. And now we just slide on and twist the 4 spool holder arms. So let's pick this thing up and put it into place. So now let's grab our PTFE tubing, open it up, and connect these spool holders to the extruder. On the top of the extruder, the 4 holes are numbered 1 to 4, so just match those with the PTFE tubing to the corresponding numbers at the top. Just push the tube into the connector firmly, and there you go, that will be connected. And now we'll use this little plastic clip that is included with the printer to attach all of them together to make sure that nothing's wobbling about like crazy. So let's connect this thing to some power and get it set up. After waiting for the machine to boot up, you pick your language, which for me is English. You pick global or China, so I'll pick global. And now you wait for it to scan for Wi-Fi networks, put in your Wi-Fi password and onto your network, and that's it done. So after doing the basic calibration, you can start printing, which it's just doing its bed leveling here. And here's some footage from its onboard time-lapse feature, which I thought I'd show you. It's pretty good quality for such a small camera. So now let's weigh up some pros and cons of this machine. We'll start with pros. Number 1, it's pretty easy to put together. The machine is really simple to build, and I don't think anybody would have problems building it. Number 2, the on-screen interface and instructions that it gives you, as well as the app. I think that is absolutely perfect. And it's easy multicolor printing for anybody. Just put the filament in and it will go. And also, because of some magic I'm not qualified to talk about, it uses less waste. Okay, time for cons. There's not too many here, but the only thing I would have is the covers in building that I struggled with. The instructions weren't very clear, or I'm just stupid. Number 2, it's a bit louder than other printers. You couldn't sleep next to it, but it's not too bad. And this last one you just need to be careful about is the alignment pins at the back of the bed, because the purge wiper otherwise is too close and can get caught. It happened to me and I just want to let you guys know. So my final thoughts on this machine. It's easy to use, fast multicolor printing with less waste. To me, that's all a good thing. But if you guys want to buy it, that's up to you guys. I'm not going to tell you if you should or not. So thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.